Hello guys, today we're going to do a benchmark test on Hudl 2 tablet. So let's power it up and start the work, as soon as possible, because I want to make a very short video on it. So there you go, power up. The software which we are using is Aututu Benchmark software. Let's start it. There we go. It's a Aututu Benchmark software number 5, version 5. So as soon as it will launch everything. So I already done the test. It came up with a good work and all these things, but I'm going to do that. The last score was 31055. Let's try the test again. You just need to hit that button again. There we go. It's going to do all these tests on it and everything. So let's we'll see that how it's going to work. Then start the test. There you go. It's going to take a couple of minutes actually. This is a bit big sort of test, but you will see what it's going to do. At this moment of time, as you can see, that it's performing some testing of the single threaded integrated performance test, and I don't ask me what's this related to, but I hope I could tell that bit. So, and also does the multitasking test as well, which is very good, which can tell you how many different applications you can use at the same time, and also does the 3D and 2D test as well, which in the shadow test too. So you will see them all, and eventually you will see the results and what are the differences as well. You can compare with different devices, because I was going to buy Samsung Tab 3 8-inch one, so I can compare with that one as well, that how much bench score is that device made, so I can compare them, and what is the best mobile available at the moment, best Android mobile phone available in the market, so you can compare your results with that. If you came in top 10, that's what you want, that's all right, you are up to date. So it's testing the RAM now, testing the RAM performance now. So it might be sending information and all these things and checking it, how fast it's getting in there. And now it's testing the multitasking performance. So if any time, if you got any questions, please do let me know. I'll be happy to help, in terms of that. I might be making another video of this one where I'm going to use a high power game. I'll be using this Hudl on a high power game. If some people are wanted to buy these Hudls regarding towards how fast you can do the gaming and all these things, I'm going to run a fast speed game just to show you guys, how it's going to perform. So just stay tuned for that. No, not in this video, sorry. It's just I'm filling the sound actually. Okay. Well, if you don't like my sound, please hit the mute button. No problem with that. Okay, it's doing again the multitasking performance. Well, there are a couple of different benchmark softwares you can use, but I prefer that one because I use the similar one on my personal mobile phone, which I use, which is a Sony Xperia Z2. Very nice phone, very nice phone. Again, still testing the multitasking performance. I know it's a pretty big test, because obviously you are competing, you're checking everything and competing him against all the things, As you can see now, it's running Aututu benchmark test, and also it's checking the resolution of your display now. How fast it is and how good it is. Now you see it's changing them. Saying it's a 1080p resolution display, so it's just checking it. Obviously, it's a bit cheaper than all high-end devices, so you will be compromising on few bits and pieces. There's nothing wrong with it, as long as what device you are buying is filling up your needs. This is a shadow test. There you go. Test is done. Now we are standing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My Hudl 2 is standing at a score of 31185, which is still a pretty good score. You are on number, we are on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, number 8 in the list. So we are still in the top 10s. And Hudl 2, not we are in top 10. Sorry for that. It's just a bit of I hit my camera in it. So I think I liked it. I liked the results. So let's have a look at it. You know, what we can do now. We can compare it as well. You know, we can what's wrong with it. What are the things. You know, this has got all the list of things on it. You know, how it's performing. The CPU is very good. Supports large application and multitasking RAM. Excellent 2D graphics. Excellent 3D graphics as well. And the fluent support to the large mobile games as well. So that means you can use the large mobile, heavy mobile games as well. So it's going to perform well on it. You don't need to worry about it. So let's and other than that, now what we can do is it's just nothing else. You know, you can compare it. This is where your ranking will store on your computer. It stores on your tablet, and there's a now. What you can do actually, I think I found it somewhere, you know, where you can compare with them. So the greatest one, the best ones, they are the ones which score about 5,000, sorry, 50,000, which are HTC One MT8 and some Samsung S5 is also in that range as well. Samsung Note 3, which I want, Note 3 I don't want to buy. It's a Tab 3 I wanted to buy, so Tab 3 is not in that list at all. So I'm still in a good picture here. You know, I can compare it with them as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to compare it with the top one, which is HTC One. Let's see how far I'm out from that. So in terms quite many things, HTC One is obviously good, but I'm winning on a couple of things here, which is the RAM operation, speed operation, 2D operation, 3D HTC One. But you can see that here what are the differences in all these things. So it's a pretty good score, which is 31,185. That's a very good score. So I would say thank you for watching this video. You know, if you got any questions about it, please do let me know. Thank you very much, and